Here's how to use the 11-ounce frosted candle mock-up. First thing to do is get rid of the space saving layer, which is in the layer stack over here on the right. Just hide it all, throw it in the bin. To get your design onto the candle, got this smart object here called label, so double click that, and then there's the label. So to place your design, go to File, Place Embedded, and then locate wherever you save your designs, or if you're designing on it here, just build it in this area. When you're happy, you can you'll obviously have your layer on top of there, and you can delete mine like that just by hiding it, or throw mine in the bin. But we're going to go with my label for now. So that's there. So when you're finishing adding your label or building your label, make sure you, when you close the smart object, do that again, closing the smart object now, be sure to say yes here. Other things you can do here, there's some, you can toggle off the lid there, and then you can turn on the lid on the top with that one. You can change the colour of the wax if you want to. There's some darker versions there, and then with this, when you've got the darkness roughly right, you can then select this layer, which is the hue and saturation slider, and you can change the colour with the top hue slider, and you can play around with the saturation as well. You can turn the shadow on and off, and you can hide this background and then drop in your preferred background if you want. But that's everything, I think.